Hello everyone, this is the video of IGD05 and IGD10 sheave removal process. I'm Mehul Mali from the technical department and I'll be explaining you for the tools for replacement. This is M12 by 40 mm bolts, 3 numbers. This is M16 by 90 mm bolts, 1 number. This is the special sheave removal tool and this is 13 mm spanner. Now this is 24 mm fixed spanner, 36 mm fixed spanner, screwdriver and hammer. Thank you. Now we'll be starting with the process of sheave removal in IGD10 and IGD05 machines. Firstly, we will loosen the bolts of the sheave. These bolts will be loosened by using 13 mm spanner. And for IGD05 machine, we will be using 16 mm spanner. We will just hammer it a little so the cover will come out. Now we'll be installing the special tool which is similar for IGD10 and IGD05 machines. Using M12 bolts we will be tightening it. Now we'll be tightening the Allen key bolts. All the 3 Allen key bolts using 8 mm Allen key. Okay. Now using 36 mm fixed spanner, we will be tightening the center bolt of the special tool. We will be using hammer. Now once we tighten the center bolt, the sheave will be out and we need to safely move it down. This is the complete sheave removal process for IGD10 and IGD05 machines. Now sheave installation process in IGD10 and IGD05 machines. Firstly, we'll pick up the sheave and match it as per the keyway. And we'll push it by hand. Due to taper shaft, the pulley will go in very easily. Then we can use the cover with a M16 bolt which can be installed in the middle along with the nut. And we can use the 24 spanner and tighten the nut so that sheave will be placed in its fixed position. Using the hammer, we should hammer a little so that the sheave will fix in the correct position, and also we can tighten the nut. Try to hammer on all the sides of the cover so that we can ensure the sheave is in correct position. And then simultaneously we'll have to tighten the nut and ensure that the sheave is in the correct position. Then we can remove the bolt. Okay, so now we'll be completely installing the cover, sheave cover. And at the end we'll completely tighten these bolts.